Start. Load. Back.
Vadovicova 10.5. Iryna needs 9.1 to stay in the fight for the gold medal. .7, really good shot from Iryna. So gold medal goes to Shchetnik Iryna representing Ukraine, and she also set the new European and world record in this final. Congratulations. And also world record for juniors. Second place and silver medal goes to Veronika Vadovicova representing Slovakia, and bronze medal goes to Turkey, Atakal Cagla. Congratulations to all. This was all for this final, but we see you one more time at 14:45 in the last final of these championships, R5 final. Thank you for watching us and see you again at 14:45. Bye bye.